Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your medical practice with Teladoc, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current practice and identifying areas for improvement. Consider the addition of telehealth services to meet growing patient demand. Explore the various telehealth solutions offered by Teladoc. Visit the Teladoc website to familiarize yourself with their services and options. Schedule a consultation with Teladoc representatives to discuss your needs. During the consultation, ask about integration options with your existing systems. Evaluate the technology requirements for implementing Teladoc in your practice. Ensure that your staff is trained and equipped to use the telehealth platform. Communicate the benefits of telehealth to your patients. Promote your new telehealth services through your website and social media channels. Update your practice policies to include telehealth services and ensure compliance. Monitor initial patient responses and gather feedback on their experiences. Analyze the data from telehealth sessions to assess usage and satisfaction. Adjust your services based on patient feedback and technological advancements. Consider expanding your telehealth offerings to include specialty consultations. Utilize marketing strategies to reach new patients interested in telehealth. Partner with other healthcare providers to enhance your telehealth capabilities. Regularly review your telehealth performance and make necessary adjustments. Stay informed about the latest trends in telemedicine to remain competitive. Leverage analytics to drive strategic decisions and improve patient care. Embrace a culture of continuous improvement within your practice. Scaling your medical practice with Teladoc can lead to increased patient engagement and satisfaction. By following these steps, you can successfully implement telehealth services and grow your practice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.